gonna do video.
I'll go make that kitty.
You gotta flatten it out with a rolling pin. I'll show you how to do it.
These are mine.
Well, let me show you how to do this with a rolling pin. First you get it like that, then you squish it. See how you squish it? And then you use this. You want to try it? And I'm going to make the kitty. Jim, turn that camera this way just a hair.
Oh, it did.
Oh, look! It looks like an elephant. Boy, his trunk looks fat. Just,
What?
oh, not on me. Just a little more that way. A little more. All right, that's good.
What?
Isn't it cute? Did you show the camera? Elephant, little tail. All right, I'm making a kitty. A green kitty. What colors?
Pink. I'm a kitty.
See that? Pile of elephant poop.
The elephant went poo.
See his poop?
Yeah. What? I'm a killer. I feel like you.
I got an ear.
That's trouble sitting.
I told you it was too heavy.
Dragging it around.
Doesn't it look like a kitty? Almost looks like a double.
They can make whiskers. Get some skunk hairs and stick them in there.
We'll go pluck a skunk.
That's so long.
I got a big one.
Oh yeah.
Met a new cabinet guy the other day. Cabinet
What?
guy.
Cabinet. Yeah.
What?
For what?
Just a person who lives out here.
Lives out here?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe somebody to go fishing with.
He's got the river right back there.
Where do we have a river at?
Ghosty Forest up there.
Oh.
Right there. With Wilson.
You know, I would not want to live there. I drove out to the end of the road one time. It's like wrong turn, definitely.
Is that beautiful?
It's next time he gets one of those sinks you put in the garage, it's what you call.
Do what?
You know, the big plastic sinks you put in the garage.
Oh yeah. Oh, he gets those used?
Well, I thought that house, they had one in the garage. I thought they were throwing it away, and they want to put it back in. I was going to snag it. Same one where the fish tank is.
Oh.
Fix the cabinet and everything.
I'm a elephant.
My elephant pooped. Horton did a poop.
You got papa like me.
It's not important here to poo, it's Horton did a poop.
That's Horton.
Yeah. Horton did a poop.
If I ever get this skinny enough, we'll have whiskers.
And it'd be hard to get, well, you just have fat whiskers.
I have the house cleaning to do, and I'm doing this.
Hey, lizard.
What? Look at my mate. I'm gonna make a gun.
Turkey Day. Nothing else. Moving around the house.
Because I've seen that mouse before.
Made that.
I'm on mine.
I just made a
Well, that is your
Play-doh
house.
elephant. Play-doh elephant. Yeah. And I'm put a little pile of food behind it, so it's not important here's the who, it's important does the who.
I need the elephant.
Oh, you gotta go there for it.
You gonna smush him?
No.
No, you're broke or something?
Ew.
Pretty lit ones or something?
I like elephant.
Yeah, a lot easier to snap and get it. Plug it in, you're done.
Mmm.
Oh, I can, I guess. Alrighty, I'll come out front. Go with you. Alright, there. Anything at Walmart? Dave's going to Walmart. I don't know if I want to go with him. Just, yeah, I'll go.
I'm like being a little.
Look at my.
I don't know. You want anything from Walmart?
He's going to get a new Christmas tree.
He's getting a new Christmas tree. You're standing in the way.
Who killed my elephant?
It wasn't me.
You killed my elephant?
No.
Where is he?
Here.
He's dead. Look at him. Killed. All that work I put into that, you ruined it.
There's his whiskers. Isn't he the cutest little kitty?
Where's his tail?
Right there.
I couldn't see a hand on it. Where's his legs?
He doesn't have legs yet.
Look at that poor elephant. You can still see his tail. Right there. Oh, so she pulls his tail off. Don't need nothing? No bread or anything?
Yeah.
Make another elephant.
I'm sure I need stuff. I don't know what I
Make
need.
another one.
$1 million and give it to Dave. Show him.
Make another one.
You have to make a pink elephant now.
Well, I don't want to make a pink one. I like my orange one. He's dead. No more important does poo.
Just got pink one. I got the orange.
I
Just bread?
guess just bread. I can't think of anything else.
Another milk or anything? Want to take on? I guess
Yeah,
I'll-
you better. It's just stick it in the other fridge.
Alright. Milk and bread.
Ew.